This right here, this is good. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel and I'm back with another video. I know you guys saw the title, so you already know what's up. Guys, so in today's video we're going to be trying out these vegan protein that I purchased, and guys, I have heard nothing but great things about these, so I'm so excited to try these out. Now what I'm going to be using this for is as a meal replacement while I'm at work, so this is going to be great for me on the go. And did I mention that it was vegan? And it's black owned. JustMoveSupplements.com. I will have everything linked down in the description below. You guys have heard me mention Team Lashae before on my channel, so that is who I'm supporting. Y'all, let's get into the packaging. Like, look at this. This is so nice. It makes you want to buy this. This is like so inviting, so enticing. This is everything. I am loving this. And again, these are both 30-day supplies. Chocolate cake, blueberry muffin. These are both vegan protein, and as I stated, it's 100% plant-based. So the first one I have up is this one. This is chocolate cake. Oh, that looks so good, right? Vegan protein chocolate cake. Now for the chocolate cake, it has 32.9 grams of protein per scoop. This is a 30-day supply, so you have 30 scoops. Again, it is 32.9 grams of protein, so that is really good. It's 100% plant-based, 100%. So there's nothing artificial about this. Dairy-free, gluten-free, soy-free, no peanuts, keto-friendly, and it does not cause bloating. So the other one that I picked up is blueberry muffin, which is this one right here. Look at that. Now with the blueberry muffin, this one is 27 grams per scoop. It states that it has 114 calories. Like, that is nothing. No added sugars. For the chocolate, the same, 114 calories. Like, you can't go wrong. And again, these can be used if you're trying to gain weight or lose weight. So if you're trying to gain weight, then you need to add different things to it, such as you can add fruits, you can add spinach, different vegetables, bananas, whole milk, oat milk, almond milk, whatever the case is. If you're just trying to lose weight, then of course you can just use a dairy-free milk, such as oat milk or almond milk as well, or water. I heard these are great with water. Now, what protein powders you know taste good with water? None. And it's vegan, so we're going to try these out today. I'm so excited for this. As I mentioned, I'm going to be using these as a meal replacement, so I will more than likely be drinking these for my lunch at work. So for that purpose of me using these at work, of course you can use a shaker bottle to blend it up, but I want to get a little blender so that it could be more of a creamier consistency. So I picked this up. This is a Blend Jet. I did get this from Bed Bath & Beyond. This is just a portable blender. No cord needed. It charges with a USB port. Let's take this out. So this is what it looks like, y'all. And this is the where you charge it and the on and off, which I like. This holds 14 fluid ounces. So let's open it up. And it just has a little insert on the inside of here. So I wanted this kind specifically because it has the blaze at the bottom. And of course, purple is my favorite color. So we went with the lavender. So let's go ahead and plug this up and get it charged up so we can do a taste test. Alright guys, we are back. So we're going to go ahead and get into these protein shakes. So I'm going to start with the chocolate first. So this is the inside of it. The scoop was buried, so I finally found it. So the instructions here state to mix it with 8 to 10 ounces of liquid. So let's go ahead and do that. And this is how big the scoop is. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. Alright, so I guess that was the 20 seconds. So let's taste it. So my first impression, y'all, this tastes really good. Like, I can't even stop drinking it. Very creamy, very smooth texture. It does not give you an aftertaste. It does not taste chalky. Different protein drinks I've tried in the past has that, like, that aftertaste that hit you right here. And this tastes really good. Like, I can see you making some ice cream with this, an actual milkshake, add some ice. Like I said, for lunch I'm going to add a scoop of peanut butter in here while I'm at work, and this is going to be good. As I stated, this is going to be my meal replacement, so I'm not going to add like vegetables and stuff like that in here. I don't think. We'll see. I'm also going to try it with water as well. All right, so let's try the blueberry. I'm going to rinse this out and then I'll be right back. All right, so get it here. Y'all, like, this tastes so good. It literally tastes like a blueberry muffin. You definitely taste the blueberry in there. It's not too sweet. It's just good for me. Like, this tastes so good, it makes you second guess like the label. 100% plant-based, gluten-free, soy-free, peanut-free, keto-friendly. This tastes really good. Nice creamy texture, not chalky. Yeah, and I can tell that this would work as a great meal replacement because it's I drank all the chocolate and drinking like half of this, I'm already feeling full. Like, and this Blender Jet cup, yeah, this was definitely worth the purchase. As I mentioned, I did get this from Bed Bath & Beyond, and yeah, I really do like this. 20 seconds, it mixes up fine. I wonder how it's going to be with the peanut butter and with other things that I add in here, but so far so good. Like I said, I charged it maybe 5 minutes, if that, and it's working fine. Great power. As you guys heard, I don't think it's too loud picking up on camera. I hope not. I apologize in advance if it was, but it doesn't sound loud in person. Yes, y'all, get you a Blender Jet cup. Alright guys, so that's it. I mean, there's nothing else that needs to be said. These are really, really great. I am so glad that I purchased them. They taste delicious. Like I said, they make me feel guilty about drinking them. Like, they're that good. Highly recommend. I will leave her information linked down in the description below. Also, be sure to pick you up a Blender Jet cup if you're making any proteins or any milkshakes or anything on the go. This is awesome. I really do like this. Great purchase. Highly recommend. And yeah, that's it. I really do appreciate you guys for watching. Definitely be sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know if you tried any protein powders before. Which one is your favorite? Before you leave, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down below. Also, be sure to hit that bell so that you get notified when I upload a new video. I do upload weekly here on this channel. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye. All right, y'all. I'm telling you, do not sleep. Do not sleep.